Hello everybody, I wanted to talk about the Hormonal Acne Kit, why the certain products within that kit and what they do. So hormonal acne we know is painful acne. It's acne that when you touch it, it can be anywhere on the face, that it hurts when you touch it, and there's often red ruddiness around it. So it's a very sensitive, a very delicate type of acne. The products that we've selected in the kit are the 7 items. The first one is the K cleanser. The K cleanser is a non-foaming, very gentle cleanser that has a little bit of the aloe vera, it has cucumber, it is very soothing and calming on the skin, but still very cleaning. So what you want to do with your cleanser is you want to put it onto clean, dry hands. Clean, dry. So you wash your hands, they're dry. You put your cleanser onto your hands, massage it into your face in circular motions, getting under any fine facial hair. Count to at least 30 seconds when you're cleansing your face. We want to make sure that you are cleaning your face really well. And then taking a clean, warm, wet washcloth to remove that cleanse. Now at nighttime, I recommend cleansing twice, because the first cleanse you want to make sure that you're doing it, you're working it in, you're counting to your 30 seconds, you're taking your cleanser off and with a washcloth, and the second cleanse you can rinse off with just lukewarm water. But I do recommend, because most of us are wearing makeup or sunblock throughout the day, that you do cleanse twice at night and just once in the morning. So your cleanser is very important. The second product is the healing gel. The healing gel is really soothing. It's mostly aloe vera. It's very soothing and calming on the skin. And it's a very, very important product that you put on as your second step, both AM and PM, after you wash your face. It's very important. You just put a light coating of the gel cleanser on your face and leave it on to dry. The third product is going to be for your AM. It's going to be the Bee Lotion. The Bee Lotion is a non-comedogenic moisturizer, meaning it doesn't clog pores. And when you have a more oily, congested, painful hormonal nodules on your face, it's important that you're not using a moisturizer that's suffocating. You want something that's what we call non-comedogenic, and that's what the Bee Lotion is. It's a very light lotion, and of course it's important to put a sunscreen on over top of that if you're going out in the day. For your nighttime regimen, the Q Flavonoid is your serum, and that is a very healing serum. It has got your arnica, it has your vitamin C. It's what supports and helps with the marks that are often left from hormonal acne. So it feeds the skin but doesn't overnourish the skin, and that is a serum that you use at nighttime. Now you can apply it in the daytime as well if you want to mix a little bit with your healing gel, but it is very dark in color, a brownish color, so often it is normal for it to leave the skin a little bit yellowish, and often nighttime is better to be using it at that time. Some nights you are going to be putting the Bee Lotion over top of that, again as your moisturizer, but your nighttime treatment product here in the hormonal kit is the A Night Gel, and that is a treatment product that is a retinol. So for most people, I'm going to recommend that they don't use it every single night, that they might only start using it 2 or 3 nights a week, and then the other nights they're going to be using their daytime, their Bee Lotion, the other nights as well. So they're not getting too much retinol too quickly, causing dryness and ruddiness of the skin. You want to wean it into the skin, but it's a very important part of your regimen, and in helping with scarring, in helping with acne and those painful nodules that you get. The other 2 items that come in the kit, because there is 7 items in this kit, is the Pea Solution. The Pea Solution is half the strength of what I use in the salon, in that it is a product for acne. It is a liquid, it comes in a small bottle. It is something that's put on a clean skin, left on the skin for a few minutes, and then washed off with cold water. It can often make the skin red. It is for areas where you have breakouts. It's for pimples, either as a spot treatment, or you can use it if you're quite oily everywhere. You're oily everywhere. You can absolutely put it all over your face, leave it on a few minutes, take it off with cold water, rinse it off with cold water or a cold washcloth. And then the exfoliating mask is the other one. Now with the exfoliating mask and the pea solution, it's good to do that in the mornings, and but don't do your pea solution on the same day you're going to be doing your exfoliating mask. You want to do it at a different time, because both have your AHAs in it and both are a little bit stingy on the skin. So your exfoliating mask, if you're really oily, you could and you seem to get a lot of dead cell buildup, it's good to exfoliate a couple of times a week. So, and you can do that either by putting the exfoliant on the skin, on a clean skin, directly on a clean skin, and massaging it in for a few minutes. Do not leave it as long as it says on the tube, which is about 10 minutes. Don't leave it that long. That is not necessary. Work it into the skin. You could leave it on the skin for 2 minutes. You could also leave it on the skin 5 or 8 minutes if you like, depending on how sensitive your skin is. But you can also dilute it. So if you're using the exfoliating mask, you've got hormonal acne, your skin is sensitive, and most people with hormonal acne, their skin is sensitive. You can either dilute it by adding a little bit with your cleanser, you can dilute it by adding a little bit of healing gel to it, or you can use dampened fingers and dilute it and just work it into the skin. But if your skin is really stinging with it on, you don't have to have it on a long time. You could even leave it on 30 seconds. Just working it into the skin quickly and taking it off will exfoliate your skin. So those are the items for the hormonal acne. Again, they are the K cleanser. You're cleansing twice at night, once in the morning. Your healing gel you're putting on as your second step, both AM and PM. The B lotion is your moisturizer for the AM, and sometimes the PM when you're not using your A night gel, which is your retinol moisturizer for your nighttime. So you can alternate that at night. Your other items is your pea solution, which can be used as a spot treatment for acne, or on an oily skin, an actively oily skin, you can use it all over. It will also help to lighten marks on the face, and that can be done once or twice a week. The other product is the exfoliating mask, and that one can again be done a couple of times a week on an oily skin, once a week if it's sensitive, 3 times a week if you're super oily and not sensitive, and that should be worked into the skin for a few minutes and taken off with cool water, and then you go put on either your moisturizer after that and your sunblock. So those are the items there: the K, the H, the Q, the B lotion, the P solution, your A night gel, which is your retinol, and your exfoliating mask. So that is all that is in the Hormonal Acne Kit, and that is a fantastic kit for people that suffer with those big painful nodules, cysts that leave marks on the skin, that is oily, and that's what hormonal acne is. Bye.